In this video, I will show you how to use EBT card on Uber Eats. So in order to do that, head over to your account option, and then from there, just go to your wallet. Now in here, it will show you this Uber Cash, so just click on it. Click on this Add Funds option, and then click on this Add Payment Method. Now in here, as you can see, the EBT card is not here. However, what you can do in that case is you can click on this Add Payment Method on your wallet instead. Now in here you can see the EBT snap. So you can click on that and then you just need to enter in here the card number of your EBT snap. Take note that you'll only be able to use it on the snap eligible items such as fees and tips, and eligible items must be paid with another payment method like debit or credit card. So just enter in your information and then click on the save in order to use it. So that's how you use EBT card on Uber Eats. Hope we helped.